Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm getting my dinner going. I'm at the Washington hammock hang tonight. Got my stove going. I'm going to do I'm going to crack open an MRE just because I wasn't sure I was going to come today, so I didn't really have a lot of time to planning and preparation, so I just grabbed chili and beans. So let's crack this open and see what's inside, and I'll get my man cooking. Alright. So I got my stoves going, get my water on. The reason I'm boiling water because I've never really had good luck with the flame, the ration heater. Let's crack this sucker open. See what we got. So we got the main chili and beans. Yellow and wild rice. That's a new one. I don't think I've ever had that. So I'll heat that up in the water as well. The rest of it, I've got blackberry jam, which sounds delicious. I get a oatmeal cookie, which I've had before. The heater, which really works, at least for me. Vegetable crackers, these are actually really good. Drink mix, which I've had before, which I think is open. And in your accessories pack, you have your spoon, your napkin, your coffee, your creamer, and it looks like sugar or salt, or it's probably sugar and salt. Alright, so the blackberry jam vegetable cracker. Pretty good. Alright, well, it's getting pretty hot, so let's get the rice. Well, may have to turn those at some point, but well, I figured since I'm waiting for my main, might as well go ahead and eat dessert. I've had the oatmeal cookie before, it's not bad. It's really dry though. Like I could really use some milk. I'm starting to wonder if oatmeal cookies in every one of these, because the ones I've opened so far have all had oatmeal cookie. No. We got ourselves a pretty boil. Should be pretty close to being ready. I'm thinking that's probably, yeah, those feel nice and hot. There we go. Water off of here. Just that guy. There's the rice.
I'm pretty certain that my spherical dog would not give me a hammock. Yeah. She loves food.
Dalvin will sit on a kayak and she'll sit on a surfer and just chill. I don't know about her. We haven't done that.
Does she like swimming?
But she'll just sit there and she's like, I'm not sure why we're doing this, but okay.
You guys are crazy. But
Yeah, all right. You know we can swim in this.
Yeah, they kept coming home. Like, I don't know if I want to. They're funny because like they know what's good and what's not good.
Barbara, did you get some?
So like they'll go camping or something and raid it. Or go out there and like they took all the ones that like they like the best and like totally ravaged them. You guys can't do that.
She has a longing look on her face.
Our male,
Before I really
See by the way Harp
Missed out on
triggered.
our male does not let our female eat. There's Reese's on your s'mores?
Doctor up our chili with a little bit of guacamole chips.
You take one of these and try it out. Yeah, and marshmallow on a graham cracker. That's like heaven. Seriously. Tastes good heaven.
Thanks for bringing the wood.
Yeah.
We just had
And it wasn't part of the MRE, but you know, whatever.
I got a big
Like a mini nacho, minus the cheese.
I got a big trunk. I probably fit about
So how late did you
5 or
start?
6 people in it.
Oh my goodness. I haven't even stayed up that late.
Sometimes on Christmas, I stayed up the whole night.
Yeah. Oh,